How to safeguard Google Chrome browser on Androids and Windows. Since Google Chrome is used by billions of people on Android and Windows, it is targeted by hackers frequently, so in this tutorial, with just few settings, can safeguard Google Chrome from being exploited. Okay, let's have a look how to safeguard Google Chrome browser. Come, let's go. First, open up Google Chrome browser, either on your Android or Windows, then click on Settings. Now click on Privacy and Security. Once opened, switch on Always Use Secure Connection. By doing so, your connection always will be secured HTTPS only. Now click on Safe Browsing and switch on Enchanced Protection for maximum security. Once done, click back, and click on Clear Browsing Data and Clear Data, so all the leftover file and traces could be erased from hackers. Do so each time you want to exit the Google Chrome browser. Now your Google Chrome browser are at top-notch protection against any intruders. Thank you for watching My Malaysia channel. Kindly like, share and subscribe for more informative videos. See you on next video. Bye for now.